Hello everyone. This song is dedicated to everyone who has lost a loved one, a friend, anybody. And as the Christmas season nears, I say God bless, and you're in my heart always. Oh, thinking about all our younger years. There was only you and me. We were young, wild, and free. We've been down the road before, but that's over now. Keep me coming back for more. Baby, you're all that I want. When you're lying here in my arms, I'm finding it hard to believe we're in heaven. Love is all that I need, and I found it there in your heart. It isn't too hard to see we're in heaven. Oh, once in your life you will find someone who will turn your world around, pick you up when you're feeling down. Change what you mean to me. There's a lot that I could say, but just hold me now, 'cause our love will light the way. Baby, you're all that I want. When you're lying here in my arms, I'm finding it hard to believe we're in heaven. Love is all that I need, and I found it there in your heart. It isn't too hard to see we're in heaven. I've been waiting for so long for something to arrive, for love to come along. Now my dreams are coming true, through the good times and the bad. I'll be standing there by you. All that I want, and you're lying here in my arms. I'm finding it hard to believe we're in heaven. Love is all that I need, and I find it there in your heart. It isn't too hard